Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so let's go ahead right now and add the logo to the store. Now how do we do that? Go to the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, and then basically just click on Customize, right? So let's just wait for a second for it to download or to load. There you go. So you can click on Customize the theme over here. So once you've clicked on Customize, you can come here, and what you want to click at is the first header. So click on the first header, and here select an image. So select an image from your computer, upload an image because you don't have anyone yet. And let's go to the Downloads Ninja Store logo. This is the logo that we're going to use. Right, so still couldn't load that image. Let's just try back to load it. Right, there you go. So the image is loaded, it's transparent, it's great. Click on Select and basically scroll down over here, and let's give it a custom logo width of 220 because I like my logo to be big. Now here, scroll down to desktop logo position. I like it to be at the top center. Click on Save. And in order to visualize how this will look in real time on a computer, click on the full screen view over here, and this is how it should look like. So right now let's go back to desktop, and here you want to scroll down, enable sticky header to make the menu a sticky menu so that it makes it easier for people to navigate through your store, because once people go down and they want to go up, they will see the menu right up. But if you don't enable the sticky header, it's going to be very difficult for them to go back to the top. So always make the menu a sticky menu. Now here, for the background color, we're going to leave it as is for the time being. Let's click on Save, and right now let's go ahead and add a new menu instead of this menu that was generic.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.